Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to display a number from 1 to 5 using for loop statement in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So here I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio. So to display 1 to 5, we declare for loop statement for I and range 1, comma, initial value in 6. Because 6, in order for us to have one additional number that will only display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, print I. Now let us right click, select run code. Never close. Where? Oh. Okay. And again. Okay. Our code is running. See? It display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in my console output in Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's it guys. Now very simple to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using for loop statement in Python programming language. Thank you so much for listening. I hope that you have learned something in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Chick saying bye bye for now.